In this video, we will show you how to clean and maintain your condenser tumble dryer. Regular cleaning helps maintain the efficient running of your appliance and puts less stress on the parts and motor. To clean the outside of the tumble dryer, use a damp cloth of soapy water or non-corrosive detergents. Then, wipe dry with a soft, non-abrasive cloth. We recommend cleaning the door seals and the inside of the drum with a damp cloth. Using a soft, damp, non-abrasive cloth, wipe the metal surfaces of the humidity sensor. Thoroughly dry the humidity sensor using a dry, soft, non-abrasive cloth. If you are unsure of the humidity sensor's location, or whether your appliance has one, check your tumble dryer instruction manual for further details. Next, locate and pull out the lint filter. These are usually inside the door opening or in the back of the door itself. Using a soft brush or your fingers, remove any lint or fluff. For hard to remove lint, clean the lint filter under warm running water. Then, allow the lint filter to dry thoroughly. Once dry, replace the lint filter. To maintain your tumble dryer's performance, we recommend cleaning the lint filter after each use. With the door open, inspect the drum paddles, checking they are tightly secured to the drum wall. To clean the tumble dryer's condenser, open the condenser housing cover and release the latches which hold the condenser in position. Pull the condenser out of the housing. Using a shower or under running water, clean the condenser of lint and debris. You can use a soft brush to remove stubborn debris. Allow the condenser time to completely dry. Then, replace the condenser into its housing. Lock the condenser into place, then close the condenser housing cover. Next, remove the water tank. This is typically located on the top of the tumble dryer. Place the water tank over a sink or drain and empty any collected water. Remove any lint accumulation in or around the cap by cleaning the water tank under running water. Replace the water tank, ensuring it's securely in position. We advise that the water tank is emptied after each use to prevent bacteria and lint build-up. Some models of condenser tumble dryers can be connected directly to your household wastewater pipe. This means you don't need to empty the water tank. Please refer to your user manual to check if your tumble dryer has this feature. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.